Hello, I'm going to take you through our order process so you can have your first CloudKey environment up and running in a matter of minutes. What you see here is our user-friendly CloudKey builder, and what's great about this is it allows you to allocate resources for your virtual data center environment, and with those resources you can allocate them and utilize them however you see fit with no limitations. So first off, we'll configure our CPU pool in gigahertz. Next is RAM or memory. We'll select how many public IPs we wish to have. And now you'll see various options for primary storage pool. These are separated by IOPS, and you configure them individually as you see fit. These can be allocated through storage policies later on. Now keep in mind, if you need to change any of these later, you can easily do so. Now we have internet rate limit in megabits per second, inbound and outbound. And now you have the option to select how many endpoints you wish to license through Zerto. These are going to be for backup and replication. And if you do select Zerto licensing, you can determine how much backup storage is available here. And if you wish to deploy Windows servers, you can select how many licenses you need as well. And then finally, private link is used to establish a private link between multiple CloudKey locations if you wish to do so. I don't have any multiple locations at this time, so I'll leave that blank. Now in the top right, you'll see your cart summary automatically updating, and you'll see your amount due today. If you have any promotional or discount codes, you can apply them here. And if everything looks good, go ahead and hit continue. Now you see a summary of your selections. If you want to go back and change anything, you can click edit. And also, once your account's created, you can always change your allocations later as well. We can configure another location if we wish to do so at this time. And now we'll enter our account information here. Now keep in mind, for email, make sure to enter an email you have access to, because you will be sent an activation code that you'll have to enter later on. So let's go ahead and enter our account information here. Now go ahead and enter the CAPTCHA here. And make sure to select I have read and accepted terms of service here. If you wish to view the terms of service, you can click the link here. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click checkout. Now our account is created and we'll be asked to select an MFA method. Email or authenticator. I'll go ahead and select email and click activate. Now we can select send one-time code here. Now let's go ahead and check our email for that code. Here's what your confirmation code email will look like. Let's go ahead and grab that code and we'll enter it here and click submit. We have activated MFA through email. Go ahead and click account details and you'll be prompted for your verification code that I mentioned earlier. Go ahead and check your email for that as well. You'll see an email like this that says your account needs activation. Let's go ahead and grab this code and enter it here. Click verify. Now our account is activated. We'll see a balance at the top for what we just ordered. Go ahead and click on that. Here we'll see the unpaid balance. Let's go ahead and pay all due invoices. You'll see a summary of your order here. Let's go ahead and click pay now. We'll use a credit card. Now we don't have any credit cards on file, so let's go ahead and add one here. We'll enter our credit card information and our billing address. And we'll click save when we're done. Everything looks good, we'll hit accept. Our payment was successful, as we see here. And go ahead and click on services, CloudKey offerings. Here we'll see the environment that we just ordered. Right now it's pending as it builds, but once it's done, it'll say active. And once it's active, you can go ahead and log in there and configure your environment. Thank you.